Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 10 best bench drills. Find your perfect drill for precision work. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 10. 220V710W Mini Bench Drill. With its 710W power rating and 220V input, this mini bench drill is designed for metalwork tasks. Its drill chuck range of 1 to 13 mm provides versatility for different drilling needs, making it a practical choice for metalworking enthusiasts. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 9. Bench Drill Small Household Table. Ideal for small-scale household tasks. This high-precision drilling machine offers reliability and ease of use. Its compact design fits well in home workshops or garages, making it suitable for DIY enthusiasts tackling various projects. At number 8. BG5156E Mini Precision Bench Drilling Machine. This electric milling machine features variable speed control, allowing for precise machining of metal projects. Its compact size and precision make it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and small-scale metalworking projects. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 7. Mini Electric Bench Drill. Offering high power and precision, this bench drill is perfect for metal, wood, and jewelry making crafts. Its compact size and portability make it convenient for hobbyists and artisans who require precision drilling on various materials. At number 6. Portable Industrial Grade Magnetic Drilling Rig. Designed for engineering applications, this magnetic drill press offers portability without compromising on power or performance. Its magnetic base ensures stability during operation, making it suitable for tapping and drilling tasks in challenging environments. At number 5. New Mini Desktop Bench Drill. This electric drill stand features 7-level speed adjustment, allowing for precise drilling in a home workshop setting. Its compact design and adjustable speed make it perfect for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts seeking precision and ease of use. At number 4. AOBEN Electric Bench Drilling. With a multifunctional design and a 6-speed governor, this electric drill is equipped for various steel and woodworking DIY tasks. Its 220V power supply ensures consistent performance, while the adjustable speed settings provide versatility for different materials and applications. At number 3. Industrial Grade Drilling Machine. Engineered for industrial applications, this micro bench drill doubles as a milling machine, offering high precision and reliability. Its sturdy construction and milling capabilities make it suitable for demanding industrial tasks. At number 2. ARROWMAX Electric Drill. Designed with smart motion control, This rotary tool ensures precise drilling for crafts and DIY projects. Its versatility and precision make it a valuable addition to any workshop or DIY enthusiast's toolkit. At number 1. ALLSOME Mini Bench Drill. This compact drilling machine offers variable speed control and a versatile chuck range from 1mm to 16mm, making it ideal for a range of DIY wood and metal projects. Its compact size and variable speed functionality provide precision and ease of use.